Well, DSK Supanficom International Campus is a joint venture between the DSK Group from Pune and Supanficom of France. Supanficom of France has been a global design school since the last 25 years. It is among the top 10 schools in Europe. This tie-up clearly brings both these companies together to create a completely different kind of an education system, education pattern, so to speak, where students are trained and not, just taught, but they are trained to become designers. This is a 5 years duration course where we spend good amount of time with the student to give them a completely practical oriented training. When I say practical oriented training, we have our trainers who are mostly from across the world, where you have either they are French or Germans or from USA or from UK. These trainers are permanent trainers, which means they are residential trainers. They are on the campus 24/7. They're professionals, so which means they have spent about good 15 or 20 years into the industry themselves, and then they have taken the sabbatical to train or share their knowledge or their wisdom that they have learned over a period of time. We don't have examination system, we have a jury system rather, where we gauge our students based on the kind of projects they have done on a year-on-year basis. And at the end, there is a professional team of people combined, which is invited from all over the world, who come to the campus and look at each and every project which is done by the students. They are allowed to present their project to the jury, and that's the basis of their credit points or their marks which are given to them. This is also a platform which allows most of the company professionals to actually give out job opportunities to the students while they are still studying. Our, uh, our entire curriculum is designed in such a fashion that it also makes space for 1 year of paid internships for students, which is for a period of six months each, where the students work with various companies, India or abroad, so that they are exposed to that particular culture, that particular psyche of design, and most importantly, they get hands-on training for a duration of 6 months. So once they pass out, they already have a year's experience under their belt. Well, the fee structure is pretty modest if you compare it to the international design schools. We are roughly pricing it at about 3.5 lakh rupees per semester, which includes the hostel accommodation, the meals of a student, and of course the academic fee as well. We have an entrance exam every year, and this year as well. Again, we would invite students to apply for the entrance examination in the month of April. It's going to be on 13th of April, and then the next batch is going to be on 18th of May.